Reliable, comfortable, and built for accessibility, this 2017 Toyota Sienna SE is a mobility van you can count on. With just 43,350 miles, this wheelchair-accessible van combines Toyota's reputation for reliability with a trusted BraunAbility side entry conversion. It's designed to deliver long-term performance and everyday convenience for families, caregivers, and individuals alike. Equipped with an automatic in-floor ramp and kneel system, access is simple, secure, and effortless. When stowed, the ramp disappears neatly out of sight, keeping the interior spacious and easy to navigate. Inside, the Sienna offers a premium gray leather interior that delivers both comfort and durability. On the outside, the sleek silver finish gives this van a modern, timeless look that's perfect for any setting. Powered by Toyota's dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this van provides responsible handling and smooth performance, whether you're driving through the city or out on the highway. This Sienna SE brings together Toyota's trusted reliability and BraunAbility's industry-leading accessibility. With low mileage, premium comfort, and proven performance, it's a modern van designed to keep you moving with confidence. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the right wheelchair-accessible van for your needs.